How to find Instagram live videos. The finding live videos on Instagram can be a bit tricky, but I'll show you exactly how to do it. Simply, you need to launch Instagram app and make sure to log in. So on the home page, if someone is live, the profile icon at the top will say live. So recently we don't see any user who are live. So if you see anyone, you need to tap on search icon and type ICTV in the search for now. So let's type in. And once you have searched for this account, simply from the tags you need to select the hashtag ICTV hashtag from the result. So currently there is none. So simply you need to access the ICTV live videos. You can click on a post with the ICTV icon. You can tap Watch on IGTV, then press Browse IGTV. You will arrive at a page showing all live streams. Then tap See All to view all live videos happening on Instagram. Unfortunately, we haven't found the official account and we don't see any videos right now. So it's more hidden than before, but this is the way to find all the live videos on Instagram. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.